Right now, you're at about the top of Melbourne Star, and it's from here that you can enjoy a full 360-degree view of Melbourne and its surrounds. To the north, the City Link freeway snakes through Flemington, then beyond to Melbourne Airport. In the southeast, Melbourne CBD is a treasure trove, and very few locals appreciate all it has to offer. Federation Square is always a hive of activity. It breathed much needed life into that corner of the city, and now has opened up the river for all Melburnians to enjoy. Nearby are alleys covered in graffiti that's world famous. Melbourne's theatre district, centred around Spring and Exhibition Streets, frequently premieres shows that go on to amaze all of Australia, and every so often, the world. Melbourne also has a rich music scene that has spawned many world-famous performers, from Kylie Minogue to Barry Humphries. Whether your taste is jazz, rock, burlesque, whatever, you'll usually find a bar or venue where you can kick back, relax, and enjoy great live music with a beer or wine in hand. And stylish Collins Street is perfect for window shopping at times. It's probably safer that way.
So you would come this way, all the way. They would come down this way. Are we going? Yeah.
in the southeast, close to the start, is Newquay. It's an ambitious project that over time is populating this part of the docklands. Some of Melbourne's leading architects designed the apartment towers, and there are restaurants, cafes and local amenities down on ground level. Of course, one of the defining features of Melbourne is our trams. If you look down immediately below your cabin on the south side, you might be able to see the tram line that brings visitors down to Harbour Town via Etihad Stadium. Those same trams, of course, are part of the world's largest tram network and a key part of what makes Melbourne one of the world's most livable cities. They're good value and they seem to be everywhere. They're not just for commuters, far from it. Visitors to Melbourne's theatres, art galleries and cinemas rely on them into the wee hours. Fashion victims can often be seen struggling with their bags into and out of trams, racing from one of Melbourne's famed boutiques to another. Now, if you haven't done it yet, it's worth taking a quick look back to the west, straight into the structure of the star. From this angle, the LED lights playing on the spokes of the star are at their most dramatic.
Is that golf down here? Oh, really? Good, isn't it?
Beautiful.